For the first part of the choose step, I used the Affinity Diagram technique, in which I took the ideas from my log and some of the best ideas from my superhero brainstorm session, and I transferred them onto Post-its so I could easily move them and cluster them around on flip chart paper. By doing this, 5 themes emerged, which I'll share in order of those with the most ideas first and the least ideas last. Number 1 was passive income opportunities. Number 2 was collaboration and networking opportunities. Number 3 was practice creative opportunities. Number 4 was active income opportunities. And number 5 was get income outside opportunities. This exercise really helped me to clearly see the kinds of ideas that I had generated through the previous zigzag steps and the relationship between those ideas. It also made me realize, given the volume of ideas that I generated in the passive income cluster, which were 15, and the collaboration and networking cluster, which were 12, that I clearly have a lot of energy around those particular ideas. And such, they would really be ideal to focus on for the choose part of my idea going forward. For part 2 of the choose step, I enlisted the help of a friend who's also an expert in marketing and communications, lucky me. I asked that friend to first help review my affinity diagram and then next select the top 3 ideas that were both interesting and feasible to implement, given my creative challenge. We then used the PMI technique. We mapped out the pluses, minuses, and interesting aspects for each of the 3 ideas, which were 1, start a monthly client newsletter, 2, understand people's most persistent or urgent needs and how I can meet them, and 3, create a video series called Creative Calibration Sessions. Walking through this exercise with a friend who knows me and my situation well, and who also happens to understand marketing and communication strategies, really helped me to narrow my focus down to the 3 really great ideas that I can realistically implement, and that I'm also confident I can fuse into one great idea to start with. And since these 3 ideas are so closely related, should I need to revisit or revise my strategy during implementation, I'll be able to pull in aspects from these other ideas that I explored during the choose step using the zigzag techniques.